In this video, I will show you how to fix the call recording option not showing on your Samsung phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone and take a moment to let it load. Once you're inside, search for Apps and then open the phone app from the list that appears. Now, tap on Storage and start by clearing the cache. After that, clear the data as well. Once you've finished clearing everything, go back to the main settings screen. Now, search for Reset All Settings. Tap on it carefully and follow the steps shown to reset all settings on your device. Once the reset is complete, restart your phone. After following these steps, the call recording option should now appear on your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.